Hello, this video will cover how to calculate the current ratio. And what we'll do here is we'll need to get the current assets and divide them by the current liabilities. We're going to use this test data, and I'm going to go ahead and identify what the current assets are and the current liabilities, since we are not actually explicitly stated. But if you look at the definition, 1 year or operating cycle, whichever is longer, that's how you identify whether or not something is current. So out of our cash, that is considered a current asset. Accounts receivable, current asset. Prepaid insurance is a current asset. But the net book on the equipment, that one is actually a long-term asset. The accounts payable, we will consider that as a current liability. And then notes payable, it could be current or long-term. It just depends on the length of time. But since it says 3 years, we'll go ahead and classify that as a long-term liability. So we'll go ahead and take the current asset amount, which is the sum of all the ones, and that is $6,813. And then we'll take the sum of all the twos, which is only one, so that's pretty simple, 12,000. Do the math, pull up our calculator. What does it say? We have 6,813 divided by 12,000. The number we get is, let's see, 0.567. And it's not a good current asset. We like to see at least 2, but this is what it is. And the instructions tell us, 2 decimal places. So because that 7 is 5 or greater, we're gonna have to round up. So the final answer will be 0.57. And that will be your answer for your current ratio. This concludes this video, and remember, today is a great day to learn accounting.